Hey everyone. Today I'm taking you through the promotions tab on the Thomas Skinner website. As you can see over here, we've got a few different ones listed, so check those out if any pique your eye. Right today I'm going to be talking to you about the Sandvik Coro Drill 860 GM. There's special pricing in place from February 1st to March 31st. This is on the Sandvik Coro Drill 860 GM. It's a high performance short drill. Really what I want to show here is the way that they've redesigned the tip geometry. And they've added a double margin. Now the benefit of this being is faster penetration rates and better hole quality. So you're tolerancing now, you're gonna hold about a thou with this drill. It's got that H6 to H8 hole tolerance, which, as you know from hole tolerancing, depending the size of your hole, depends on the tolerance allowed. So that thou is about an approximate. If you've got a very large drill, then it's going to be a little bit different. You can see these are only for 3 to 8 times D applications. If you're looking for longer drills, then let me know. I've definitely got something to work for you. This just isn't the drill for you. You can see the size range there, 3 to 16 mil, 118 to 629 in inches, and it works in all materials. What I've actually got loaded here in the other tab is a video that kind of goes over everything here. Oh. So you'll notice in this video, let's just make that full screen. They're going through all of these different materials up here. So they're going at cast iron right now. They've got the tool listed there. You can see that it's the GM series. They've got the diameter of the drill, they've got the cutting speed and the feed. And you'll notice in this vise, they've actually got 3 blocks of material loaded. That's important. Nice slow-mo, because honestly, you blink and this drill is done. Now they're going into steel. Again, they're going to give you that feed and speed. They're going to give you the diameter, the exact tool number, because honestly, if you like these results, you let me know that number and I'll get a quote for you. Right? They're doing 3 across each block here. You see the pop-up through YouTube. You can always click to learn more. Now, I previously posted this drill, but I didn't get a chance to talk to you about the promotion available. And here we are, again, through hole application into stainless steel. So this same drill is going to work for all of your applications. And you're going to hear a little bit of the sound coming through my speakers. I've got the video previously posted on my profile if you want to have a direct link to that, or send me a message. I'm happy to hook you up. This is definitely one of those ones that I love to wash. Now, obviously the stainless is a little bit slower. That's just going to be within there. So now they've got the through holes. You can see here, right? Watch as these blocks are spinning and the surface finish that you get. You can see that light coming through. That is a beautiful hole. And they've got more links to subscribe to their channel, click their website to visit. So the reason I'm showing this to you is to be able to talk a little bit about that promotion, because right now it's cheaper to give it a shot and to try it out and see what's going to work for your application. The benefit of this is that there's less for you to risk on the table. Now, of course, they do offer very material specific drills for your specialized application. I just find here on the West Coast, we have a lot of job shop environments. When you're setting up common tooling in a machine, you might do a lot of half 13 in a variety of materials. You can then load one drill into your machine. You know your rates are going to be good for penetration, material removal, however you want to list that. And you're going to know that it's already in the machine. You don't have to worry about changing drills. You don't have to worry about setting your length offsets every time. You don't have to worry about a lot of other things thanks to this innovation from Sandvik. If you're looking to give these a shot, let me know, send me a message. I would be happy to connect you with the right tool for the job, whether that's 3 times D, 8 times D, or somewhere in between. And like I said, if you need longer, I've got those too. It's just not part of this promotion. If you've got any questions, feel free to send me a message. Thank you so much for checking out today's video about the Sandvik Coromont 860 GM drill. Good luck and keep your spindles turning and earning.